Hey everyone, today we start with business to business and B2C model. This presentation we explored the fundamentals of B2B models, giving through success what was the goals on the e-commerce. Okay, so now we have a key points of characteristics of B2B marketing. First is a simplex sales of cycle. Second things we have a long term of relationship, and third is focus on values and experiences of services. So first thing we have understood what was the complex sellings of cycles. So in B2B, sales are often by the individual multiple decisions, markets, and process of the evolutions. So it will be sales cycle, just like we have a say we are selling any products, then it will be delivered on the time and it will be giving by you different times and all the things. So now second things we have a long-term of relationship. So we have suppose that we have a long-term relationship, we can say that suppose that we have a delivers any product to user, so we cannot forget the user, and we have also giving some feedback from user. It will be shows the different user for this product is good or not. So it will be shows on the building trust and report of the essential part of a relationship between the business to business markets. So and also we have focus on the values. So third things we have focus on the value. B2B is a solutions we have solved the specific business challenges and deliver the trust of the results. So what was, and we have also focused on the what was the values of our product, it will be good or not, and we have also analysis of the products. So fourth thing we have a services. We have post sell our report of the ongoing services which will be easier, and suppose that we have given some specific time of any user, so we have deliver on the times, and we have earlier we have delivered these products and specific products. Okay, so now identifying the targets of a consumer in B2B. So what was the target we have a B2B? First thing is we have industrial experience and company size of revolutions and this decision making process. So we have industrial aspects of understanding the specific needs and the challenges of your target industry in the parameters. So company size of revolutions in the terms of, we can say that the segmentations of a consumer based on the company size and revenue help in the through other often companies. So suppose that it all the things we have a need on the revenue of a company, the size and all the things. So and decision making a process. So we can say that the any B2B models we have main role play of the decision making. So identify the key and components of an individual purchase and decision of a consumer efficient target. So developing B2 next slide is B2B value of proportions. So problem identifications, solutions and benefits of outcomes. So problem identifications we have, just like we have some different types of problems we have evaluate in the B2B models. So clarify the define the problems and the pain points of the solutions of address on your targets. So we have suppose that all the problems you have achieved. So we have some problems, you have long problems, you have a specific divide into some sub problems, so it will be achieved on the easy way. So solutions of differentiations. What was the solution differentiation? Highlights the unique Q values and offering the provide the compares of competitions. So next things we have benefit outcomes. In the terms of benefit outcomes, of quality of targets of benefit our consumer can expert from the using the product services. So next slide we have effective B2B pricing and packaging. So first thing is a value based pricing value. Suppose that some products have some values, it will be we have pricing, just like suppose that we have 50 rupees of any product, so we have just not pricing of selling all the products, we have a higher. So we have minimized that's the user is communicate with each other. So pricing based on the provided values your solutions are delivered to a consumer. And cost plus pricing, if we can say that they calculated the price of adding market values, and we have just compared these things. Suppose that any users we have buying any products, and some same products which will available in a market, it is a low price, and in my e-commerce websites it will be higher price, so the consumer cannot not buy my products. So we have main things we have focus on the cost price of any products. Okay, so comprehensive price is just like this competitive price of, it's like we have settings price based on the offering of any company. So expanding into a new B2B segments. So first thing is market search throughout the research of a target of segments, and understand there the needs of the purchasing, and market sales and strategies. Develop the target market and sales strategy of rich new consumer based. So product adaptation is just like modify your products and services to add it and the specific requirements of new segments. So we have all the things in business to business segments we have a study. Okay, so now we have next slide. We have, this is the building long terms of B2B relationship. So in the B2B relationship we have effective communications. First thing, we have main important role play on the effective communications. So maintain open and regular communications of to address as a consumer need to consumer. So in building trust, we have developed a trust of relationship between the integrate and the communicate with deliver properly. Okay, so collaborations of participants, collaboration participation, just like we can say that work collaboratively and to find the solutions that we have brief both parties. And fourth point is we have a consumer. So we have a consumer adopt of the behaviors and all the loyalty regarding the products, and we have buying and selling products in e-commerce. We have main things, we have building long-term B2B relationship. We have focus on only four parts. First is effective communications, second is building trust and participations and consumer loyalty. Okay,